Santa's Little Engine. Santa's Little Engine. Christmas on the island of Sodor. Plow, Thomas, plow. It is time for the Christmas fair. Who will play Santa? Sir Topham Hatt. Santa needs a sled. Workers, hammer. Painters, paint. Winston does not look like a sled. Thomas picks up a real sled. Hoo-hoo, lead Thomas goes slow. Pip pip, the sled is safe. Where is Santa? Hoo hoo hoo. Santa is ready. Thomas backs up. Watch out, Thomas. Oh no, he bumps the sled. Thomas will save Santa. Hurry, Thomas. Look out for branches. Beep beep, hoo hoo hoo. Thomas pulls Santa's sleigh. Merry Christmas! Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe for more.